Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to deal about digital electronics. It is our second year first sem subject. In this subject we have 5 units. First unit is number systems and codes. In this we have the concepts like decimal, binary, hexadecimal, octal and BCD conversions, and complements like ones, twos, nines and tens complements, additions, subtractions, gray codes, XS3 codes, conversions from one to another. And this subject we have the reference books like Maris Meno for digital design and Herbert Top and Donald Chilling for digital integrated electronics. Before going to the unit we have to know about the digital electronics means it operates digital signals or discrete signals. Okay, here digital means digit or numbers like binary numbers either 0 or 1, and electronics means electronic component or electric thing. For example, here we gave the inputs like 0 and 1 to the output of the electronic component or electric thing, so the name called as digital component. And where digital electronic circuits are made from series logic gates. By assembling them, each logic gate performs a function based on boolean values with the help of signals from logic gates. Digital circuits are of two types: one is combinational systems, another one is sequential systems. Coming to the combinational systems, it has same output, it reaches or receives the same input. And sequential system describes as combinational system with some of the outputs as inputs, that is feedback. And as digital circuits are made from analog components, to make that analog components behavior should not dominate the digital components behavior. And next, coming to the number systems and codes, here number systems and codes are divided into two ways: one is weighted and another one is unweighted codes. Okay, weighted codes is nothing but binary codes, decimal codes, octal codes, hexadecimal and BCD, etc. And the unweighted means gray XS3 codes. Okay, here number system is nothing but it defines a set of values used to represent quantity. We have four types of number systems. One is binary number system, octal number system, decimal number system and hexadecimal number system. First, binary number system, we have two digits. Here base of the binary number system is 2. Here base is nothing but radix. Radix is denoted by small r. We have a small formula like r minus 1. By using this formula, uh, we count the digits. Here binary number system base is 2. uh, the digits are 0 and 1. And octal number system total count or base of the octal number system is 8 and the digits starting from 0 to 7. And decimal number system total count is 10 and digits starting from 0 to 9. And finally hexadecimal number system base is 16 and digit starts from 0 to 15. um, these are the number system conversions. First we observe here binary to decimal conversion and decimal to binary conversion, and decimal to octal conversion and octal to decimal conversion, and octal to hexadecimal conversion and hexa to octal conversion, and hexa to binary conversion and binary to hexa conversion, and as well as hexa to decimal conversion, decimal to hexa conversion, finally binary to octal conversion and octal to binary conversion. Okay, next, this is the simple tabular form of the number systems. First, binary number system, we have total count is 2 and the digits are 0 or 1, and octal number system count is 0, total count is 8 and the digits starting from 0 to 7. Here 0 is nothing but 0 0 and 1 is nothing but 0 0 1 and 2 is nothing but 0 1 0 and 3 is 3 binary system is 0 1 1 and 4 1 0 0 and 5 1 0 1 and 6 1 1 0 and 7 1 1 1. Okay, and coming to same as well as decimal and hexadecimal. Okay, next here binary number system means um, digital computers represents all kinds of data and information in the binary system. And binary number system consists of two digits, either 0 or 1. It has base is 2 or base or radix. Each digit or bit in binary system can be 0 or 1. And for example, we convert binary to decimal conversion. Here multiply each bit by 2 power n, where n is the weight of the bit. The weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right. Okay, add these results. For example, I take a binary number system 101011. The base of this number system is 2. The answer is 43. So 43 base is decimal. Okay. um, next next coming to binary to octal conversion. Here group binary digits is 3 bits starting on right side. Okay, 3 bits is starting from right side onwards and convert to octal digits. For example, I take this example and convert into octal, binary to octal. And next coming to binary to hexa conversion technique, you here we take digits 4 bits and starting onwards right side and next convert to hexa to decimal digits. Okay, for here I am taking some example, binary system example. Here binary numbers is converted into hexa. This is the example of previous slides. Here binary to decimal conversion, I am taking here the binary digits 101011. First I am taking 2 power 0 into from starting right side. I am counting from starting right side onwards. 2 power 0 into 1 plus 2 power 1 into 1 plus 2 power 2 into 0 plus 2 power 3 into 1 plus 2 power 4 into 0 plus 2 power 5 into 1. After that we multiply and add it. Finally we get the answer is 43. Here we converting binary to decimal conversion. And next coming to binary to octal conversion. Here same starting from we observe previous slide, binary to octal conversion starting uh, right side from 3 bits. Okay, 3 taking 3 digits from right side onwards. We separate here these binary numbers from 3 3. Okay, 3 3 from right side onwards. So separate it. After that here 1 is nothing but 1. Okay, same like. And next 011 is nothing but 3. Okay, and 010 is nothing but 0. 010 is nothing but 2 and 111 is nothing but 7. So the base of this result is 8. 8 is nothing but octal. Here we convert from binary to octal. Same like binary to hexadecimal conversion. Here we take 4 digits from right side onwards and after we convert from binary to hexa. Here we observe here I am separating 4 digits from right side onwards. Okay, 1101. Okay, 4 bits and after 1101 and after balance 01. Okay, here 1011 means b. B means hexadecimal digits are starting from 0 to 15. Okay, 0 to 9 after uh, 10 to 15 means we have to say 10 is nothing but A, 11 is nothing but B. Okay, 12 is nothing but C, 13 is nothing but D, 14 is nothing but E, 15 is nothing but F. Okay, we write it like that. Here here 1011 is nothing but uh, 11. Okay, 1 is nothing but 11. So 11 we write it like BB. Okay, 10 is 2. So the base of this resultant is hexa. Okay, this is the way I am converting binary to hexa. And next, coming to number systems, octal number system. Octal number systems is the base 8. Okay, octal number system base is 8, and the number system and uses the digits from 0 to 7. Okay, total count of the octal number system is 8, but the digits starting from 0 to 7. Okay, this number system provides shortcut method to represent long binary numbers. Okay, the number after 7 is 10, and the number after 17 is 20. Okay, and so for example, here I'm converting octal to decimal number conversion. Here multiply each bit by 8 power n, where n is the weight of the bit. Here next, the weight is the position of the bit starting from 0 on the right side, and after that I'm adding the results. For example, 724 base 724 is the octal number, and the resultant is decimal number. 468 is the decimal number. After that I will explain clearly in example. And next, coming to the octal to binary conversion technique, you here convert octal digital in a 3 bits starting on the right side. Example, 705 is an octal number, and I am converting octal to binary. So binary number, this is the binary number. And next, coming to the octal to hexa conversion technique, you here use binary as an intermediately. Okay, example, I am taking 1076 is an octal number. The resultant we have hexadecimal number. Here this is an example of previous slides. Mm, First, octal to decimal conversion. Octal to decimal conversion, I am taking example of 724. Here, starting from right side onwards, we have to calculate it. Here I am taking octal. Octal means 8. 8 power 0. Okay, 8 power 0 into 4. Starting on right side, we have to calculate starting on right side. So 8 power 0 into 4 plus 8 power 1 into 2 plus 8 power 2 into 7. After we multiply it and add it, finally we got the resultant answer is in decimal. Okay, this is the way to convert octal to decimal conversion. And next, coming to octal to binary conversion means, here also I am binary conversion. So binary conversion means, here 705 I am taking an example. Here I am separating the 705, and 5 binary number means 101, 0 binary number is 000, and 7 binary number is 111. So after I am adding all these binary numbers and convert into binary. Okay, this is the way to conversion from octal to binary conversion. Thank you.